Hi, I'm Mr. Huber, and in this video we're going to have a look at exercise 1b. Well, we've already done 1a in the introductory video, so now we're going to look what happens if the function looks like this. So f of x is 2x squared. F of x is 2x squared. As we don't know the pattern of these functions yet, we have to set up a table, x and f of x. Minus 3, minus 2, minus 1, 0, 1, 2, and 3. Let's plug in the numbers. F of minus 3, that's 2 times minus 3 squared. Well, that's 9 times 2, that's 18. Then f of minus 2. 2 times minus 2 squared. Well, that's 4 times 2, that's 8. Then f of minus 1, that's 2 times minus 1 squared. That's 2. So let's have a look at this. 18, 8, 2. F of 0, obviously that's 2 times 0 squared, that's 0. F of 1, that's 2 times 1 squared, well, that's again 2. F of 2, 2 times 2 squared, that's again 8. And f of 3, 2 times 3 squared, that's now 18 again. So let's plot the points. So 18. So at 0, we're here. At 1, we're at 2. At 2, we're already up at 8. And now look, at 3, we're already up at 18. It's very high up. It grows very fast. Then here, at minus 1, it's 2. At minus 2, it's 8. And at minus 3, it's again 18. So when you connect the dots in a very smooth way, you're going to get something like this. Again, it's a U-shaped curve or a V-shaped curve, more like a U-shaped curve because it's rounded. Okay, and we call this curve a parabola. Okay, every curve of this type is called a parabola. See, it wasn't too difficult to draw this. So when you compare it to our first one, you can see that it's very similar. Look, very similar. Let's put it here. But all the numbers were doubled, okay? So instead of 9, we have 18. Instead of 4, we have 2. Instead of 4, we have 8. Instead of 1, we have 2. Instead of 0, well, 0 times 2 is 0. Instead of 1, again 2. Instead of 4, we have 8. And instead of 9, you can still see it, you have 18. Okay? So it seems that everything has been multiplied by 2 because of this factor 2. What does that do? Instead of being, for example, at 1, you're at 1. Well, here, at 1, you're at a y value of 2. So it seems to have stretched vertically. Okay? So I hope it wasn't too difficult. See you on the next one.